Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we've got an unboxing, but I've got something special to show you which I have been getting, which is my little kitty, and she's super hungry. So yeah, this is a new addition to my family, and here she is. This is Bonnie and she's super cute. She's just gorgeous. So I'm just going to show you if she will. She's hungry at the minute. So maybe it wasn't a good time to film her, but we got her anyway. Oh, okay, there she goes. So that's her there. She is 11 weeks old, I think you are, aren't you? Yes. So yeah, she's 11 weeks. She's just unbelievably cute. So yeah, so today's going to be an unboxing, and I'm showing you my new kitten, and she's in my hair. Oh, she's gorgeous. So I'm going to let you go now because it's cruel to let you do that. And right, so now we're just going to get on with my unboxing, and I've got my fake-ish sort of nails on that I got from Etsy. They're not fake nails, these are like they're just like you pull clip on, so yeah, they're super easy to put on. Yeah, I can't remember where I got them from, else I would have told you, but yeah, I just got them on Etsy shop, and I just like them because they're gothic, and I love gothic. Right, so now I'm just going to look for my boxes, which is under here. So we have two of them because I'm lazy and I didn't put my video up this month about them, so I am just going to do an unboxing of both videos, and that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so the first one is going to be like a Roccabox. Well, it's going to be Roccabox, and I find it super difficult to open this box. So I'm just going to put my nails on there for now while I open this box. This is it. So it's Roccabox, and there we go. As you see it. Now I'm just going to put on my other nail, and you'll see that these just clip on like that when they just push on. So that's what they do. And okay, so this is Roccabox 1, and there it is. It's covered in paper. So we're just going to take out the first item, which is, it looks like a Bare Minerals. So this is the Skinology. Oh, it's interesting. It's going to be interesting to open in the packaging with these on. Yes, it is. Right, so Skinology. I'm not sure if we've had that in the box before, but we will open it up. Hopefully I've got my scissors. Yeah, it is a little bit difficult to open the boxes with these on, so bear with me on this. Skinology, and we will just have a look at it. So it comes like that. It's like a super clear white sort of substance as you get it. Oh, it's really nice. It has a nice lemony scent. And what is my kitty up to? She's just milking around. So this is a Vital Power Infusion. It's to empower, replenish and renew, and it is the Skin Technology. Super good. Is my camera going to focus? It's focusing on me. I don't want you to focus on me. Just focus on that. Right, so that's all we're going to get of that. It's not going to focus. Right, okay, so hopefully there's no more awkward little boxes. Hopefully it's all straightforward. So this is the Cetaphil. Cetaphil, did I say it right? Cetaphil. So this is a moisturizing lotion, and it's tried to get into, so we're not going to bother with that. It's just a lotion. And so the next item, we're just going to have a dig around. Oh, this looks good. This is good. This is the Bare Minerals it is a lip cream, and I'm not going to be able to get into it, but it looks really, really nice. I do like it. It looks good. So, okay. So that is that one. And then we have one more item. Two more items. This box is really good. And my nails is annoying. It's annoying because they keep coming off. So this one is the Balance Me, and I'm sure that this is the Hyaluronic Plumping Mist, and really is that one here. So it is a super fine mist which provides an instant shot of hydration and plumps the skin whilst calamine water calms the sensitive skin. Spray onto cleansed skin. Okay, well, we'll try it. There we go. Oh, that is super refreshing. That's nice. That's just nice and easy just to chuck in your bag. So if you want a quick freshen up, it is there. And my kitty is on my bed. She's having a whale of a time. There she is there. So there is Bonnie as well. And okay, so this is maybe a repeat offender. I'm sure we've had this one before, but it's the Natural Inspired All-in-One Cleanser and Toner, and my battery's running low. So this might be just Roccabox for the kitty, and I will do the next unboxing another day. Okay, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! So this was the Laid Bare one, and this was my unboxing of Roccabox. So as you see it, I don't know if I'm going to get a chance to show you the box, but there it is. So yeah, so we will do this one in my next video. This one, next video coming up. So bye for now.